I'm so excited today to talk to you about Canva's text-to-image tool. What we're talking about is you can describe what image you want and Canva will find it or create it for you. How's that? I'm Jeanne with Six Figure Business Coaching, and let's get designing. So if you haven't already started to use the magic from Canva, go ahead and open your account and click on each one of the presents that's in there, and it will reveal a new tool that you or your marketing VA can use to create amazing content faster than ever before. Now we're going to try out text to image. So basically you're going to describe what you want an image to be and then allow Canva to find it for you. So this is really going to save you time when you know what you're looking for image wise, but you just don't want to have to scroll through everything to find it. So let's try it out. Okay, so over here we click use. Let's say I want a woman. Sunglasses. Okay, so that's pretty good, huh? So this is all three women have sunglasses. They're all out in the sunshine and they're all recording on their phones. So then you can start over, or you can create something else. Or you can ask it to create again, which now it's going to find new images. And it did. They're very similar, but they're definitely new because this one wasn't on there before. None of them were. So again, you can just keep going until you find the image that you want, but it's going to take you a lot less time than if you were to search all through the photos in the photo section. And then obviously you can start over. You can try examples here. Food on a wooden board, a variety of desserts on a wooden table. So if you could be really specific like that, like desserts, the table, what it looks like, then you're gonna get a lot better answers. So the more detail you can give it, the better. And then if it doesn't find what you're looking for, then try a little less detail because maybe it couldn't find what exactly that you were looking for. And then obviously you click on them and you use them in your design. And then you can even go over to design and, now that you have a picture, if you want to go ahead, I would add a page and put that there. And then if you wanted to use this picture in the image and you click on position, we've got layers. So we can, if we wanted the New York to go over it, that's that. We can even get rid of this one, so we can delete it because it was in the background and now it's not. Now it looks like you've got a, some kind of bakery that's opening in New York called Laurel and Daisy. So lots and lots of fantastic and amazing things that you can do with the newest tools in Canva. And this little ditty was text to design. So we described the image that we were looking for and then we were able to use it in a design. So I hope this saves you some time and I hope that you get out there and enjoy and start having some fun with this new tool from Canva. I hope this has been really helpful for you. Thanks so much for being here. And if you're looking for some resources to add video marketing along with a marketing virtual assistant to your team, then check out the resources below this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and ring the bell to be notified every time we post a new video.